Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gentlemen, today we will discuss about online booking from Emirates Airline. I will show you that Emirates Airline are showing many of the lowest prices tickets, but unfortunately we remains unable to book them. Suppose we will book Sialkot to Jeddah, okay, economy, 30 date, maybe 25 or 20, any date you can select it, and the objective is to just check it out that whether this lowest prices we are able to book them or not. So in that case, let's go and check it out the prices. As you see here, 22 August, 23rd August, 25 August and 27 August, there are the seats available and the prices are lowest. All right, so we will take just an example to this lowest price ticket, and 27 August we will go ahead for booking, and we'll see that whether it books us for or not, or it's just only for the appearance purpose. So as you see the message appearing that they cannot book this ticket, sorry, they are unable. Okay, let's try it out another one. 22nd, this cost is 34,000 including all taxes and fees. Let's go and check it out whether it is done or not. Again the same message. Okay, so the objectivity is to tell you all guys that the lowest prices, all the tickets that being shown here will not be made final. Okay, on the other hand, if let's say the other prices which are more prices than this one, let's assume 14 August, we see that what are the prices, and 14 August these prices will be here is like this, it's not lowest price, so it's 46,174. Let's see whether we can book it or not. So you will come to know that 46, and this because this is a higher price ticket, so we can easily book here, and this window goes to the next steps, and we can select from here any of the, just because of the price. But the prices which are offered on a lowest tagged, that we cannot be able to book by any means. Even let's assume we book on September, we check in September whether how many flights are there. So in September we will come to know that uh, 2nd September, let's search about it, that whether we have we are okay, we will put this flexible as well. Okay, let's check it out whether we have this available with us or not. So again we'll come to know that 1st September, even in August, before we see August lowest prices, now we are checking September all lowest prices. Let's click this 5th September and check whether these lowest prices are accessible to us or not. So finally we will come to know that these lowest prices we even cannot book. So I am still surprised why these lowest prices are displaying here if we cannot offer these kind of prices for the booking of the ticket. However, the prices which are more than that, let's go to the September mid, and let's check it out another one which is not the lowest prices, then we'll come to know whether we can do this or not. Okay, let's try out this. So as you know, this is the handsome amount of the ticket, so we will go with the next step. As you see, now we can book it. So the conclusion is this: all those tickets which are lowest prices, we always remain unable to book them. So, and the rest which we want to book much, keep commenting. If you have any comments regarding this issue, just let me know. Okay, take care, bye bye.